Number 1. Introducing the 1959 MGA, priced at $17,500. This classic roadster exudes the quintessential vintage elegance of British design. Sporting a bright yellow exterior, the MGA effortlessly draws attention. The exterior features new white wall tires enhancing its classic appeal, and a new top that offers weather protection while maintaining style. Under the hood, significant updates ensure smooth performance. New distributor and cables, along with a new coil, fuel pump, and fuel lines, guarantee reliable ignition and fuel delivery. The braking system has been updated with new brakes, and a new battery ensures dependable starts. For rainy days, a new wiper motor has been installed. Inside the cabin, vintage charm is evident with a new stereo system for better entertainment on the go. Number 2. The 1952 Hudson Hornet convertible, priced at $15,300, is in excellent condition. This car features a restored twin-carbureted 308 cubic inch engine with an optional 262 head. The engine was restored in 2020 and has only been driven a few miles since. It has a 3-speed manual transmission and power windows, with an odometer showing 11,000 miles. Manufactured in September 1952, the restoration by Randy Wright preserves the classic beauty and performance of this iconic car. A full appraisal by Dave Ferguson in November 2019 emphasized its value and condition. With an elegant maroon leather interior, this car is perfect for car enthusiasts of all ages. Number 3. The 1951 Buick 8 sedan is priced at $17,900 and has undergone 14 years of custom modifications. It has 120,000 kilometers on it and features a roof chopped by 4.5 inches and a body lowered by 6 inches. The car incorporates a 1949 Mercury windshield, a 1951 Chevrolet rear window, and 1949 Ford tail and headlamps, all mounted on a 1989 Caprice frame with a 305 engine and turbo 350 transmission. The interior includes seats from a 1985 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, though it's only half finished but comes with the necessary materials to complete it. This unique car is ready to drive and showcases a blend of vintage elements and custom design. Number 4. The 1961 Monarch Richelieu, priced at $10,200, is a 2-door hardtop, one of only 750 units produced and exclusively available here. It features a Ford 352 engine, automatic transmission, and a 2-barrel carburetor. Other features include power steering, power brakes, and Coker white wall tires. The exterior and interior of this car are in excellent condition, with shiny blue paint and a clean, tidy interior. This car is registered and categorized as a high-quality driver. Although not offered for trade, this beautiful classic vehicle provides a comfortable driving experience. Number 5. The 1948 Mercury convertible, priced at $17,600, is in very solid condition. The exterior is smooth with beige paint and a new red top. The interior has been updated with red leather seats and door panels still in the box. The brake system has been updated with stainless lines, and a new hydraulic system for the top has been installed. The engine looks clean and well maintained with various new components. The glass is ready for installation, adding to the list of updates done to this car. Number 6. The 1954 Cadillac Series 60, priced at $16,400, is in outstanding condition both inside and out. It features original factory tires and rims. The exterior is shiny and well maintained with pristine black paint. The bumper and chrome accents are intact and clean, adding to the elegance of this classic car. The interior shows no rust, with well-maintained seats and dashboard panels, and includes power windows. The engine works well and runs like new, reinforcing its originality. Number 7. The 1947 Ford Deluxe Coupe, priced at $15,700, has an estimated mileage of 90,000 miles. The car is fully original, with less than 1,000 miles on the rebuilt 255 engine from a 1951 Mercury truck, and the transmission has also been rebuilt. There are no visible rust, dents, or scratches. The tires are in excellent condition, and the car runs smoothly. The interior remains in good condition, with a well-preserved headliner. There are small cracks in 2 vent windows, but the windshield and rear windows are clean and clear. Number 8. The 1949 Ford Businessman's Coupe, priced at $18,300, features a flathead V8 engine and 3-on-the-tree transmission. The car has been modified with a 4-inch body drop, side pipes, and a neat custom interior. It uses a 12-volt conversion and has a straight steel body with no dents or filler and a rust-free frame. The front brakes are upgraded to discs for improved safety. The car includes the original bullet grille, adding to its authenticity. It runs and drives excellently, attracting attention wherever it goes. This vehicle is not just a mode of transportation, but also a work of art that blends classic beauty with optimal performance. Number 9. The 1949 Monarch Coupe, priced at $18,100, is one of only 4,500 produced, with 10,000 miles since restoration was completed in 1999. The car has been fully restored to its original condition, with several upgrades, including a rebuilt 255 SEU in 110 HP flathead V8 engine in 2011 with no expense spared, new clutch and release bearing, rebuilt overdrive transmission, dual exhaust, new Rochester carburetor for a 67 Chev 283 truck with cartridge air filter, electric fuel pump, new dual-point Mallory distributor, 6-volt alternator with built-in regulator, rebuilt radiator and heater core, water pump, brakes, and wheel cylinders. It has Goodyear radial tires, a new battery in 2023, reupholstered seats, headliner and carpets, re-chromed bumpers, hubcaps, rare lion hood ornament, brass emblems, and polished stainless steel. Original parts like the carburetor, oil bath air cleaner, and 6-volt generator are included. Number 10. The 1956 Chrysler New Yorker Town Country Wagon, priced at $18,500, is in excellent condition. It has just received service and repairs and now runs perfectly. Powered by a 354 Hemi V8 engine with 265 HP and equipped with PowerFlight transmission and power steering, the car's interior remains original, showcasing classic and unique features of that era. The engine compartment is clean and well maintained. There is no rust on the car's body, and it comes with a new spare tire. This car is ready to be displayed at classic car shows or enjoyed for a fun restoration project. Currently registered in Puyallup, with recent repair costs included. This car is truly beautiful and worth checking out in person. Number 11. The 1954 Chevrolet 150, priced at $14,500. Currently coated in satin black, but originally green. Equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission and powered by a straight 6 engine with 231 CI. It has a new battery, trickle charger attachment, and many additional 210 model accessories to modify the vehicle and resemble a Chevrolet 210 inside and out. Benchmark Automotive sets a high standard in automotive sales and has received 5-star reviews on Google. Number 12. The 1958 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $14,600, is a 4-door car with fender skirts and has been recently restored with new paint and a new interior. It features a 332 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust, wide white tires, and beautiful maroon and white paint. The interior is black and gray, with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Although there are a few small details to be fixed, none are significant. This car drives like a dream and is perfect for classic car collectors. Number 13. The 1951 Packard 300, priced at $13,100, is a local car owned by the principal dealer for over 8 years. Found in a barn in 2005, it had been stored for 22 years. The body restoration was done in 2006 and has since been used as a summer vehicle. It is a 300 touring sedan model with body number 2472, one of 15,000 units produced. It features a factory 327 engine with 8 cylinders, 150 HP with 5 main bearings, Carter WGD 767S carburetor, and 6-volt system. The car weighs 3,800 lbs with a 127-inch wheelbase and 8.0 x 15 tire size. It is declared non-roadworthy, untested, and not guaranteed to be in good mechanical condition or maintained at any quality level. It may not be suitable for transportation and may require major repairs at the buyer's expense. A safety certificate can be issued at the buyer's expense with no warranty provided. Number 14. The 1951 Mercury sedan, priced at $14,300, has the original flathead V8 engine and 3-speed transmission with overdrive. With only 32,000 original miles, the car has had one partial repaint 30 years ago. It is very solid and straight, representing a great investment. It runs and drives fantastically, with many mechanical upgrades too numerous to list. Number 15. The 1956 Pontiac Laurentian, priced at $12,400, is 100% original. The car has been stored indoors and is currently not running. What you see is what you get, making it an ideal candidate for restoration. With this price, you can transform this car into a development project for the future. Number 16. 1959 Ford Fairlane 300 sedan, priced at $17,200, is in excellent condition. Partial restoration work has been done, including partial repainting and mechanical repairs. The body panels are straight and free of accident damage or significant corrosion, though there are some paint bubbles on the top of the rear wheel lips. The interior is original, and some exterior components show slight aging and wear, but all trim and bright work are intact and in very good condition. The front and rear bumpers are straight and free of damage, with good chrome plating. All lights work, and the glass is free of cracks, though the windshield shows some pitting and minor chips. Windows move easily, and the trunk area is clean and corrosion-free. The hood, trunk deck, and all doors open and close smoothly. The car has the original black paint on top, with the bottom repainted. The quality of the paint job is excellent, though the top shows slight fading and minor scratches from normal use. Based on the mechanical and exterior-interior condition of the vehicle and information from the owner, the odometer reading of 75,000 miles likely reflects the actual mileage the vehicle has traveled. Number 17. 1950. Standard Vanguard, priced at $11,700, was considered an advanced car in its time. This British-made car has excellent paint and chrome condition, with new front seats and carpet, as well as new brakes and hoses. Equipped with an owner's manual and a parts manual, this car can still be driven around the property. Currently registered as an antique vehicle, this car is easy and enjoyable to repair, adding to its appeal as a classic vehicle. Number 18. The 1959 Chrysler Windsor, priced at $16,700, is in excellent condition for its age. Its exterior is covered in a classic pink color that attracts attention, complete with shiny chrome lines. The rear design of the car features charming tail fins, typical of the 1950s era. The interior dashboard has circular instruments and an elegant steering wheel, while the seats are spacious. Under the hood, there's a large Hemi V8 engine that looks clean and well-maintained, indicating that the car still has strong performance. This car not only offers a smooth driving experience, but also exudes romantic charm and unmatched luxurious comfort. Number 19. The 1947 Chevy Fleetmaster, priced at $11,700. The exterior condition of the car is quite good with well-maintained green paint, though some parts show signs of age. The interior is clean, although the front seats are slightly worn. The installed 216 engine appears to need maintenance as the car has not been used for a long time and requires mechanical inspection. This car comes with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission and a complete air ride system with manual valves, along with extensive suspension work, allowing the car to rise up to 6 inches for a comfortable ride. Overall, although it requires some mechanical repairs, this car is still in a condition that can be repaired and driven. Number 20. The 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline Deluxe, priced at $13,100, with 2 doors, 6 cylinders, and a 3-speed manual transmission, 3-on-the-tree. This car is still running with a good torpedo back despite being restored 28 years ago. The exterior looks neat with shiny black paint, and the interior looks clean with red seats. The dashboard is also well maintained with a classic look. Thank you for visiting. If you're interested or like it, please check the description of this video to see information about the car.